Welcome to today's video, where we're exploring how to bring nighttime dreams and adventures to life with Midjourney. Whether it's a moonlit forest, a bustling city glowing under neon lights, or a surreal dreamscape, we're diving deep into the techniques you need to turn those nocturnal visions into stunning visual art. Let's light up the night with creativity. And as always, check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to make your artistic journey even brighter. Let's get started. Let's dive into a classic nighttime setting, a serene moonlit forest. So think of the cool crisp of the air, the gentle glow of moonlight filtering through the trees, and a small stream reflecting the sky above. Well, this kind of scene evokes a sense of peace and wonder, and it's the perfect place to start. So, in Midjourney, we can bring this vision to life with just the right prompt. So I'll focus on describing the forest's details, the lighting, and the mood to set the tone for this magical landscape. So here's the prompt I'll use to create it. Right over here. See tall trees, calm stream reflecting the moonlight, gentle fog, stars sparkling in the clear sky. There's the aspect ratio. If you want, you can just change it up if you'd like. Go. The main highlight here, mystical forest under full moon. Yep, here we go. And now, let's send this over right now. Okay, I've sent the prompt, so let's give Midjourney a moment to work its magic. So I can already imagine how the glowing leaves and moonlit reflections will look. When crafting prompts, paying attention to small details like the fog or sparkling stars can add depth and make the scene feel alive. So, just wait for a moment till the image rendering process is complete. And now, here's the result right over here. See? Wow, just look at that right here. The glow of the leaves and the way the moonlight dances on the water. Right here, this is exactly the kind of peaceful, dreamlike scene I envisioned. The subtle fog that adds so much mystery, see? This could easily be the background for a story or even a standalone piece of art to inspire your imagination. See? Now let's switch gears and head into the vibrant energy of an urban nightscape. Cities at night are so dynamic. There's the buzz of activity, the glow of neon signs, and reflections on wet streets. Well, I'm picturing a futuristic city where technology and culture collide. So, to create this, we'll focus on vibrant colors, bustling movement, and the unique interplay of light and shadow in urban settings. So, let's set the stage for a glowing cyberpunk inspired cityscape. Now, let me post my prompt down right here. As you can see, with all the details that I come up with, and just as I stated earlier, and there's also the aspect ratio right here. Now, here we go. All right, the prompt is sent. So I love the anticipation of waiting to see how Midjourney interprets these ideas. With elements like neon signs and reflections, it's important to be specific about what you want to stand out. Those details really make the scene pop. And so, let's see how this turns out. Okay, the image rendering process might take a bit while. So once again, just wait a bit. And then here it is, the results. And wow, this is absolutely stunning, I must say. So the neon signs, then the reflections of the wet pavement and the flying cars right here. Everything screams energy and vibrancy. See? Here we go. So this kind of scene you'd expect to see in a sci-fi film or game. So the glowing umbrellas, see right here, the glowing umbrellas. I'm sorry about that. Umbrellas are such a cool touch. Just so we could add even more layers to this cityscape here. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Let's venture into the world of dreams, where the rules of reality no longer apply. This time, we'll create a surreal dreamscape, like a place where floating islands, glowing waterfalls, and fantastical structures coexist. Now, these scenes are all about blending familiar elements with the impossible to spark curiosity and wonder. So, when crafting a dreamlike prompt, I like to add unique features, such as a path leading to a mysterious destination, just to create a sense of story. Now, here's how we'll build this dream world. This prompt that I just crafted right here. Yep, the surreal dreamscape, floating islands, glowing waterfalls, just like I just stated. And there's an additional detail like a giant clock tower in the sky, soft pastel hues, a sky filled with stars and constellations. Instead of, just add like the aspect ratio and such, you could just use the settings right here just to adjust it and the image size with any size that you want. Let's go with this one, 4 by 3. And the aesthetics, let's say we could amp up the weirdness to right there, 1400, and a little bit of stylization. It just depends on how you could adjust things. And then let's send this off right now. All right. So the prompt is off, and I'm curious to see what Midjourney delivers. With surreal art, embracing chaos and unexpected combinations is key. So that's why I included like a higher weirdness and stylization level here. It allows for more imaginative interpretations. So let's see how this dream unfolds. And here it is. This is quite breathtaking, I must say. The floating islands and the glowing waterfalls here and there feels otherworldly, while the luminous path right here and then one right here gives it a sense of purpose. It's like stepping into a dream you never want to wake up from. The pastel stones right here, see, it make it soft and inviting, yet mysterious at the same time. Our final piece for today captures a nighttime adventure, a lone traveler making their way through a vast desert under a sky filled with stars. As you can see right here. So there's something poetic about a solitary figure under the infinite night sky. For this prompt that I'll be pasting down here, up here, sorry about that, I'll highlight the contrast between, let's say, the glowing lantern the traveler carries and the expansive dark desert surrounding them. It all depends on how Midjourney would render these images. So here it is, my prompt, and now this is how it gets in right now. All right, here we go. So I always love how nighttime scenes with a single light source turn out. The glowing lantern will act as, you could say, a focal point, creating a striking contrast with the serene, endless dune. So I'm excited to see how Midjourney captures the vastness and quiet beauty of this moment. All right, here it is. So take a look at this with each of the image that Midjourney did right here. So as you'll see, the traveler's lantern creates such a captivating glow, and the Milky Way above feels absolutely majestic. There's like this balance of light and shadow right here. Here is incredible. So, yeah, it really captures the solitude and wonder of the nighttime journeys. So, this could inspire so many stories or simply stand alone as a stunning work of art. Here, one more. Could say this may be my most favorite one out of the four. And yep, that's about it. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of nighttime adventures with Midjourney. From serene forests to neon cities, surreal dreams, and lone wanderers, there's no limit to what you can create. Once again, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra tips and resources to level up your art. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more creative content. As always, see you next time, everybody.